Stop scrolling. Can you spot the predator? The orchid mantis doesn't just hide, it becomes the flower itself, blending flawlessly among petals to ambush unsuspecting prey. Its disguise is so perfect, even butterflies are fooled into landing right next to it. Humans, in contrast, rely on ghillie suits, digital camo, and careful movement to blend into their surroundings. But no matter the paint or fabric, a human's edges and scent eventually give them away. The orchid mantis camouflage is pure evolution, effortless, adaptive, and deadly effective in the wild.